reason I'm here is because I care about my kids. The reason I'm here because I wanted to collect more facts. I have a master's in physiology with a psychology and nutrition. I can understand through my education and my experience. My experience is a friend that too much too soon is so dangerous for our kids. Our premier, Kathleen Wynne, should understand this. She should have sensitivity because she is the topmost elected official of our province of Ontario. She should understand, she should address the concerns of our concerned parents. She should not be calling us homophobes. We are not. We're not against any one minority. We're not against any other cultural practice or relationship choice or anything. We are worried about our children. We are worried about our families, our culture, our values, and we want to instill those same values in our children. She needs to understand this. As a matter of fact, the science-based curriculum is a bogus statement. The curriculum is not based on science. We condemn this because there is no science attached to that. We just heard Dr. Grossman, which extensive kind of research and expertise in this field, and she understands that curriculum is not based on science. There are more dangerous spaces and spots that needs to be covered, and our children needs to be educated, including the children from transgender, gay, lesbian families. They are more at risk than our children. So Kathleen Wynne should understand this. If she is proposing that the curriculum should be inclusive, there is diversity, there is inclusion in our community, and it should be reflected in the school system, she should consider teaching the children properly, and she should also consider including everybody and bring everybody on board when she is trying to propose something to be implemented in the publicly funded school system. Otherwise, we will continue our fight and we will continue saying no. Thank you.
That was great. Thanks a lot.